There we go. The Wayback chicken finger. Very juicy, as you can see right here. That meat was cooked very tender. It ain't dry, very moist. I give this a good 8.5, 9 out of 10.
Saw these being made fresh in the fryer. Really hyped to try this. Breading's fire, really tender, good texture. It's better than finger licking good. It's way better. Better than KFC, Cane's. Slap 'em.
All right, we got the chicken tender deep fry. You know what we're saying?
Yeah, they are. Holy.
Yeah. That's unreal.
Yeah, they cook prep this beauty. 9 out of 10.
Pass the smell test. Tastes nice and crispy.
Like really fresh.
Yeah, I like that. That is way better.
Oh my,
Yeah, so better. I don't see that.
that's fire. For those who've seen Breaking Bad, this is exactly what I think Los Pollos Hermanos chicken would taste like. Fire, fire.
Chicken tenders, chicken man. There's only one answer. Nice and crisp, not too greasy. High quality chicken. I can hear it clucking in my mouth. 9 out of 10. We'll take it, baby.